Hey, it's Kira the Conflict Coach with a 2-minute conflict coaching soundbite. Today I'm talking about love. I'm talking about those deep emotions you feel when you have this connection with someone else and how that relates to conflict. See, oftentimes we as mediators find ourselves navigating conflicts because of love. When you care really deeply about someone else, that person can more easily trigger you. You feel more vulnerable because of love. So what do you do with that? For example, in a marriage situation, or when you feel very connected with a best friend who's hurt you deeply, what do? How do you handle those conflicts? Because those are the types of conflicts where your strategy really doesn't matter as much as your feelings and your emotions. Well, one thing you can do is slow down and think about what exactly you are feeling and where the hurt is coming from. Because typically, when you really love someone, you have a long history with that person. It's likely that whatever the conflict is about really is triggering historical pain. Maybe you had some earlier traumas that are now being uplifted and really eating away at you. And that's playing into the conflict. Or maybe you feel betrayed because you were so vulnerable and loved so much. All of these feelings are so important because you're not going to be able to move ahead from your conflict until you really honor where you're at emotionally. Many mediators focus on the cut and dry agreements or disagreements. At Harmony Strategies Group, we really focus on the inner harmony as well. And that is so important to recognize that your emotions are really going to affect how the conflict plays out, especially when it's deep emotions, connections of love. Please like and share this video, and I'll see you at the next 2-minute conflict coaching soundbite.